Hi guys, my name is Gerald from Trading Waves and welcome to today's short video in which we're going to be taking a look at Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, looking at the structures from the lows of March 2020, where we appear to have had 5 swings higher, and then we are currently within a correction. Now the question is whether this correction is done here or it's going to come back, it's going to come lower to break below this low here before we can go higher. All right, so there's a possibility that the correction may have ended here indeed, and this could just be the beginning of a move to the upside, or there's a possibility that this corrective structure is not done here. It's still going to give us one more to the downside before we can move to the upside. Taking a look at it on the 1 hour. Taking a look at it on the 1 hour, and if we bring the labels of one of our views up, we see that, as we said, from the peak of February 25th or thereabout, that would have been the peak there where A ended, A in blue or primary degree ended. One of our views postulates or proposes that we had a WXY, we're having X, we're looking for Z, which is the 11th swing lower before we can get a move to the upside. But as I said, guys, we may be having a 1, 2, 3 ending here, actually a 1, 2, 3 ending here as a WXY, as XY structure, and this may just take off, okay, or the former view may be applicable. So looking at the the current structures here, if it comes lower and breaks below this low here, then we would know that we are now looking for more downside. And this is the low that I'm referring to. If it breaks lower than this, then we know we're looking for the Z leg. However, if it does something like this, it gave us that move there, gives us something towards the 50 to 61.8% area, and rallies breaking above that peak there, chances are this could have just ended here. The whole entire correction from the peak of February 25th rather, may have ended here, and now we're looking for more upside. Right, so which of these views is highly probable? Well, we use our own ways to determine which of these these two views here is highly probable. As I've shown already, 2 possibilities. One of them is highly probable than the other. This is just one of them. And as I said, we might just get a move to the downside if it breaks lower than that. And our members already know which of the views of these 2 views is highly probable based on a strict set of rules, of Elliott wave rules, as well as a strict set of guidelines that are Elliott wave guidelines, as well as our own internal guidelines that which we came up with to help us determine the market direction more accurately and forecast it accurately. And they know already. All right, so we invite you as well to be part of our family, so you would be able to know what our members know regarding Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, for example, and a whole lot of other pairs, 52 of them, that which we analyze on a daily basis. And if one wants to join us, our website address is www. I'm going to quickly just write it here. Elliott wave principle.com. And I'm going to quickly show you what our homepage looks like, so you'll be sure you've landed on the right page. That's what our homepage looks like, and we look to welcoming you. We look forward to welcoming you to become part of the family and make as many pips as you can. Right, so I hope this video is beneficial to you guys. I hope to welcome you soon on board. Thank you and cheers.